Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pin on Pinterest. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on pin. Here you can see your gallery, and there is also a camera icon in the middle section. If you tap on that, then you can take a photo. There is an internet icon next to it. If you tap on that, then you can add the pin from a web page. But now I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery. When you are ready, tap on next at the top right corner. Here you can type in a name to your pin. You can add a description, a destination website, and you can describe your pin's visual details if you want to. When you are ready, tap on next at the top right corner. Choose a board. And when you are ready, you can see your new pin if you tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. You can see it either at all pins or at the board you have saved your pin to. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye!